black and white.
Oh my god.
That's a little tomato alert.
I'm nervous.
It's okay. Oh, look at the duckies. They're going away already.
Oh.
I'm excited to see.
Possibly around here, I think everyone's going to possibly have a tornado again.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on! You are on Facebook. I think this is going to be a real tornado, guys.
Oh my god.
I think we gotta go inside. This is freaking me out.
Look at that one right there in the water. Oh my god.
Oh! Oh my god.
This is outside my house.
Yes, it is.
It's crazy.